What's going on, YouTube fam? Here we are on my back porch. Simple back porch, right? So with this Power Wheels project, I don't really, I want to, I want to take it somewhere where it's nice and easy to work on and I don't have any issues, but so I don't have to burden anybody I know with like using their garage and having stuff over there and not knowing how long it's going to be over there and so on and so forth. I'm going to set this up to be a little workshop, at least the best I can for what I've got. And I've really got to freaking, give me 1 second. I've really got to put a new cap on this thing because it's cracked, so it's got like a shimmer in it. Anyways, so I'm going to build this thing up the best I can to actually be able to work on my stuff out here, weld, do all that stuff. Yeah, so this is going to be a montage of me setting everything up, and then I'm going to do a little bit of work on the Power Wheels today before I go to the gym. So enjoy this montage, guys. All right, thanks for watching. Alright guys, got my workshop set up. So, I think it's not too bad. Got my sawhorses under there. Got my toolbox under there with just miscellaneous. Doesn't have any tools and it has like just parts of other builds. Took the clothes rack, shortened it up some, so I retain my paint booth. So I got my paint booth, my extra supplies, oil change stuff down there. Got my bench right there. Mounted. Can I tell you how much I've needed this vise mounted? Like so many times I've been trying to cut stuff and it's like moving around and I don't have anywhere to mount it. Probably going to screw this top to the sawhorses underneath. I don't think I'll do that today. I think today I'm going to cut these bushings for my front wheel hubs, and then I think I'll actually do the frame. Not the frame. Frame will be another time. I'm going to cut the power wheels up, the plastic parts that I need to go ahead and just chop up and get rid of, so I can put the frame underneath. But that's it. This is my own little workshop. So proud of her. Trash can right there so I can throw scraps in the trash. Man, y'all better watch out when I actually get an actual freaking shop, man. That's the goal. Shop goals. Alright guys, enjoy this montage out. Leave a like if you like the video. Subscribe, because everybody that watches my videos aren't subscribed. And put a comment. Let me know what you think about my workshop. Later. Alright guys, day one down in the books. Got this bottom cut off. Got where my feet are gonna go cut off. So I should be able to stick my feet right through there. You know, I'll fix it in a minute. Notch out right here, because I'm thinking my frame rails are actually gonna go right through here. They might go through this part, so I may have to cut this out and notch this out, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna go like right in between here all the way back. But I'll leave that for another video. So we're getting real close to frame and all that good stuff, guys. I'm really excited. Glad you guys came out. Later. What's up, guys? I guess today will be officially day one build. The Power Wheel build, of the stimulus build, of the 2021 first build. I don't know. So I got my steel, tape measure, angle grinder, blades. I got the drill inside, square, marker, stuff I should need to cut it and get a rough thing going. When I cut everything, get it kind of mocked up in the frame, and then weld it, weather permitting. It is a beautiful Thursday, so that's what we got going on, guys. Yeah, let's jump right into it, and I appreciate you coming by and checking out the build.